Reasons to love Giant's Head are
a wicked event.
It's just the whole experience.
You gotta come. Why?
Yeah, it's just fun. Like, it's a rip.
So the first reason to come to Giant's Head is the location. It's incredible in the Okanagan's wine country. It's very beautiful. But Giant's Head Park, the views are amazing, and the road is something that is so special.
The hill is just amazing. It's an amazing experience.
The hill's amazing.
It's the best hill you've ever skated in your life.
easily one of the best free ride hills in the world. It's super slidey, super awesome stacked hairpins.
It's narrow, it's steep, 2.5 kilometers long, and it drops 250 meters. There's 13 hairpins.
You're hardly ever going straight, and when you are, you're probably going way faster than you're comfortable going. But the pavement's perfect, and the corners are all different. When you learn the hill and you figure out the character of all the corners, it's the best hill ever.
Even after skating it for 10, 15 years, people are coming back and they're just blown away every time.
I've been coming here for 12, 13 years. I lost count. I don't know. I learned how to do everything here. This hill molded me.
Your slides will get a lot better because you just have to do them. So you're going to be good at your lefts and then also your rights.
You get to ride close to everyone.
You're gonna push your limits and you're gonna be laughing the whole time.
You can get so much better at skating while making so many friends.
You do more turns and slides than you can count, and you end up a better skater at the end of the weekend.
Mischief.
The lake swimming lunchtime, you know, you can't go wrong with a lake swim mid-skating.
Yeah, the lake is always nice. There's some fun things that happen at the lake.
Oh, what are you doing?
Oh, god damn.
3, 2, 1, go.
My favorite thing about Giant's Head is that everyone camps together. So you skate together all day and then you stay together all night. So it's just a really good time all the time.
It's the best campground there at the rodeo. It's all fun and games there, and
Parties at night at the campsite is also sick. All the shenanigans and crazy you see at the campgrounds.
It's the best campsite of pretty much any event. Sure, it may not be at the bottom of the hill, but all your friends are there doing fun stuff. We have ramps, we have games, we have food, we have wobbly pops, all the good stuff.
I just got beat by 2 naked people.
The free wheels this year are pretty sick.
Here at this Giant's Head, it's a wheel exchange program.
Let's see how many runs they'll last.
Woo! I torched a set of Easy Hogs earlier today, and I get to roll a dice to see what I get in exchange. Hopefully a new set of Easy Hogs. Oh! All right. Whoa. And with bearings in them too. All right, now to put these on the board. Go take another run.
You can try a lot of wheels and boards. It's pretty dope because you can like level up your skill.
There we go. You want to race for chips? Let's go.
Okay, we got a 3-man race going right now.
The organizers are super awesome, and it's one of the best run events, and it really just makes a super fun environment.
Thank you guys. Does anybody have any questions?
The crew, whether it's riders or volunteers, just make the whole thing happen.
We try to just bring a spirit of community. We also try to freshen it up so the format doesn't get too stale and try to have fun.
The chips contest is sick.
This year we added different layers. We had companies like Landyachtz putting in their own branded chips. If you had the most of those chips, you could get a prize. So Landyachtz gave away a wolf shark, and actually it was Wolf as well giving away his personal carbon wrapped wolf shark, which was really exciting to see. It's got a long history here, so does Wolf. The person who wins the most chips overall is the chipboard. You can win chips however you want. In fact, one of the people who came closest to winning didn't even have a wristband. Hi, Troy. We also had Drip God. This is the person who had the most fashion sense. Giant's Head is always about like style and expression. expression. PBR MVP is a person who's just the most stoked, person who's got the most laps, the biggest smile, who's encouraging other riders and just like making the event a better place. This year it was Max K, and last year it was Stephen Vaughn.
Yeah, everybody's just here to have a good time and get down the hill safely and have fun.
I gotta hit the Yucky sub at least once.
Cord wheels.
Big stand-ups around the corners.
What's your favorite part about Giants Head?
100 guys sliding around the corners at the same time, bro. Yeah. Cheers from Mexico, guy.
Thank you guys. I really appreciate it. Hey John.
Yeah.
Why should everyone come to Giants Head?
Because it's the funnest year, the event.